enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering negativity.
Redmi Buds 5 just launched before few days ago, cheapest Bluetooth earphone with active noise cancellation feature. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Redmi Buds 5. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, we're unboxing the Redmi Buds 5, which are Bluetooth headphones made by Redmi. The packaging is basic. I got the taro purple version. Inside, there's an instruction manual. You'll find two sets of silicone sleeves, one large and one small. The medium size is already on the headphones. Also, there's a short Type-C charging cable included. This is the Redmi headset. It has a Type-C charging port, which is the hallmark of Redmi. The lid opens up, but the design seems a bit odd. There's a pairing button on one side. When you turn it on, there's a nice indicator light. The headset is small in size and fits nicely in your ear. It has a microphone for cancelling noise. You can touch the metallic bar for controls. This headset might look familiar, right? It's similar to Xiaomi's powerful Redmi Buds 4 Pro. While they are not exactly the same, they are pretty close. It seems like Xiaomi's designers might be a bit lazy, copying and changing for the past 3 years. However, there's a warning. While they may look alike, the internal acoustic processing system in these two headphones is completely different. This headset is easy to put on and comfortable to wear. The touch controls work well, and here are some important details about it. The Redmi Buds 5 don't have the small gold label like the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. The diameter of the moving coil unit is larger, at 12.4mm compared to 11mm for the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. The sound quality is expected to be good. It has active noise cancellation and a transparency mode for dual connection. It's splash-proof, but it doesn't have a low latency mode for gaming. At this price point, it's rare to find active noise-cancelling headphones. It doesn't support wireless charging or spatial audio with gyroscope. When you open the lid, a pop-up window appears. But since it's a new headset, the animation isn't updated yet. The design of the lid seems odd, but when you try again, the pop-up window shows up. In the settings, there are 3 modes: turning off noise cancellation and adjusting it in 3 levels, and transparency mode. It's impressive to see 3 transparency modes: standard, vocal enhancement, and environmental enhancement. Spatial audio is available, but not the kind that rotates with your head. There are 2 encoding modes, but no option for custom sound effects, which is strange. In gestures, you can set up functions conveniently. More settings include device double connection, which is useful. In China, the Redmi Buds 5 is priced at roughly 199 yuan, which is around £22.5 in the UK and $28 in the US. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering